Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Zimist Coded, where we simplify tech for everyday use. In today's tutorial, we're going to solve a very common problem people face in Microsoft Word: how to format a document where the first page is a cover page with no page number, and the rest of the pages are numbered with Roman numerals starting from I. Sounds easy, right? But if you've tried it before, you probably ran into a few annoying issues. Let me walk you through the steps and explain what usually goes wrong, and more importantly, how to fix it properly. Let's say we have a 3-page document. We want page 1 to be the cover page, with no page number at all. Pages 2 and 3 should be numbered using Roman numerals, such as I and II. Here's the mistake most people make. They go ahead and insert page numbers, then tick different first page so that page 1 doesn't show the number. That works fine for now. Then they go to Format Page Numbers and try to start numbering at 0 so. Again, this seems to work if you're using regular numbers, 0, 1, 2. But here's the catch. Once you switch the number format to Roman numerals, you get an error. Why? Because Roman numerals don't have a 0. There's no such thing as Roman numeral 0. So the system throws a fit. Now you're stuck. Page 2 starts from I, and there's no easy way to fix it, unless you know the trick we're about to show. So here's the correct way to do it. We're going to use something called sections in Microsoft Word. Sections let us divide the document into separate parts that can have independent headers, footers, and page numbering. Let's do this step by step. First, insert page numbering, just like you normally would, at the bottom of the page. Then, go to the beginning of page 2, the page right after your cover. Now go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and select Next Page under the section Breaks. This will split the document into 2 sections. Section 1 for the cover page. Section 2 for the content pages, pages 2 and 3. You'll notice that after inserting the break, the page numbers now appear as 1 for the cover and 2 and 3 for the remaining pages. But here's something you need to be aware of. Right now, Section 2 is still linked to Section 1, and that's a problem. If I go to the footer of page 1 and remove the page number, it will also remove it from pages 2 and 3. Let me demonstrate. See what happened? Page numbers disappeared from all pages. That's not what we want. Let's undo that. Now let's unlink the sections. Click in the footer of page 2, which belongs to Section 2. Now look at the navigation group on the header and footer tools. You'll see a button called Link to Previous is turned on. Click it to turn it off. This removes the connection between Section 2 and Section 1. Now go back to the footer of the first page and remove the page number. This time, it only removes it from the cover page, and the rest of the document stays numbered. Perfect. Now let's go back to page 2 and change the page numbering style to Roman numerals. Right-click the page number, choose Format Page Numbers, and under Number Format, select Roman numerals. Also make sure the numbering starts at I, not 0. Click OK, and voila! We now have a clean, professional cover page with no numbering, followed by pages numbered in Roman numerals, starting from I. That's it. Problem solved. Now you know how to format a document with different page numbering styles using sections in Word, a powerful trick that many people overlook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another tip from Zimist Coded. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.